In this video, we will learn about curved or spherical mirrors. The mirrors having curved, shiny surfaces are called curved mirrors. A curved mirror is also called a spherical mirror. It is because it is a part of some sphere. So these are the spherical mirrors, and in the diagram we can see that these are the mirrors and they are part of some spheres. So these are the spheres. Now, a spherical mirror is taken out of a slice from a hollow sphere of glass and is polished silver on its faces. Since there are two faces of this slice and either face can be polished, two different types of spherical mirrors can be obtained. If the outer surface of the slice obtained from a hollow sphere of glass is polished silver, the inner surface behaves a reflecting surface. Such mirror is called a concave mirror. So we can say that here the outer surface is polished and the inner surface is the reflecting, and we can say that this kind of mirror is a concave mirror. On the other hand, we can see that the inner surface of the slice obtained from a hollow sphere of glass is polished over. The outer surface behaves a reflective surface. This mirror is known as convex mirror. So in the diagram, we can see that the inner surface is polished and the outer surface is the reflecting. So we can say that this mirror is a convex mirror. Now, different parts of spherical mirror. The midpoint of spherical mirror is called a pole. So we can say that this is the mid part. So this is the pole and is denoted with P. Now, the center of the hollow sphere of which the spherical mirror is a part is called center of curvature C. Now, for example, this mirror would be part of some sphere and the center of the sphere is the center of curvature, that is C. The ray passing through the center of curvature will be reflected in opposite direction. Now the imaginary line joining the pole with the center of curvature is the principal axis. So here this line is the principal axis. Now we can see that the ray of light parallel or close to the parallel axis of the mirror after reflection either pass through a point in concave mirror or appear to be coming from a point in convex mirror on the principal axis. This point called is principal focus of the mirror. Now, first consider the convex mirror. So we can see that this is the incident ray and this is the reflected ray. Similarly, this is the incident ray and this is the reflected ray. So they don't meet, but imaginary, if we extend them in the opposite direction, we can assume that they are coming from a point on the principal axis and this is the focus denoted with F. Now in case of a concave mirror, say this is a ray of light. So after reflection, this is moving this way and this is another light ray. So after reflection, this is moving this way. So they are meeting on a point and this is the focus denoted with F. The distance between the pole and the principal focus of the mirror is called focal length. So this is the focal length denoted with F. The distance between the pole and the center of curvature of a spherical mirror is called radius of curvature. So we can say that this is the center and this is the pole. So this is actually the radius of curvature, that is R. Now images formed by a concave mirror. We will consider different points. First, at the center of curvature C. So when the object is at center of curvature C, then we can see that the image is also formed at the center of curvature C. The image is real and inverted. The size of the image is equal to the object. Now when the object is between the center of curvature and the focus, So this is the object. We can see the object is beyond the center of curvature. This is real and inverted. The size of the image is larger than the object. When the object is at beyond the center of curvature, now we can see that the image is formed between the C and A. Now the image is real and inverted. The size of the image is smaller than the object. Now if the object is placed between pole and focus, so this is the object placed between pole and focus, you can see that at the opposite side of the mirror, the image is formed and the image is virtual and erect. The size of the image is larger than the object. I hope this topic is clear to you. Thank you.